Action. Welcome back to the channel. Hey guys, welcome back to the Double Barrel Garage. This is a 5.7 HEMI. This is out of the LS swap car, the white 300. We actually bought that car for very, very cheap to take the transmission out for the black car, the turbo car, for when the transmission explodes. We got the car cheap because this engine was seized and the car was destroyed. Instead of scrapping the engine, we're gonna take it apart and see why it's seized. So stay tuned for Engine Teardown, Episode 1. Look who decided to show up.
If it seems like a bad idea, it probably isn't.
Alright guys, you always want to wrap it at a low point of gravity as it's not tipping over. Oh, you're gonna ride that.
Yeah.
Dude, damn a wicket.
Yeah. Let her rip.
Welcome back to the channel. Covered. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we figured out on removal of the intake manifold that cylinder number 6 has a valve seat stuck. Oh yeah. The workbench cleared off. Look at what we got going on here. Just grazed the piston. Okay guys, head number 2 coming off. Oh yeah, well. Okay. This is also an issue. Okay, diagnosed. There's the valve seat. Here. Man, this is a bad set of heads. It's got a homemade port polish. That's the culprit.
All right, let's put it back together.
Thanks for watching, guys. Tune in next week for a special episode with a fire up of a new build. About to open her up for the first time.
Oh, there's your problem.
What do you got there? Oh, that explains it.
Orange bubbly.
Caesar salad. Caesar salad.
Oh, there's your problem.
Oh, man. Oh, that explains it. There's a gorilla's hand in there. Let's see what the problem is. Oh,
Oh,
that explains it.
wow.
Oh, that explains it. There's a flamingo's head in here. Oh. Dang, flamingo probably got sucked right up in the intake.
Poor little fella.
Oh, dang. That explains it.
That's where all my 10 mils went.
Okay, guys, let's get this head off here and see what's stopping this engine.
Oh, that explains it.
Oh, it's our channel.
Make sure to subscribe.
Oh, what in the... Dang, son. Someone went hunting for Hemis. Oh, that explains it. Forbidden fruit. Don't eat that, man. Don't eat that.
There's like power.
Subscribe to the channel or I'll do it.